Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another Nadine West review. So I made a little faux pas. I thought that I had done my February review and uploaded it to my channel. I realized I did not do my February review. So you're getting two Nadine West reviews in March. Now normally it's a once a month review. This was just a little faux pas on my part. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Shakema. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm a full-time teacher by trade and a full-time homeschooling single mom raising 4 children, 2 grown, 2 not so grown, hence the 2 girls, 2 boys, and without the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, we would not be able to do it, the 8 in all. So anyway, I am a monthly reviewer for an online style company called Nadine West, and Nadine West reached out to me a couple months ago asking me if I would be a monthly reviewer. What that means is they will send me monthly bags and I will give them my open and honest review of that bag. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I don't get any kickbacks from Nadine West. I'm not an affiliate. I don't make any money if anybody decides to purchase an item from Nadine West. The only thing I get to do is review the pieces. So again, here's how it works. If you go to the website nadinewest.com, and I'll leave it down in the description below, you can take an online quiz, and based on the quiz results, it will set up your style personality. And your style personality will then be paired with a personal stylist, and that individual will look at your results and send you pieces based on the style personality from your pop quiz. Now, if you like the pieces, fine. You get to keep the pieces. You pay for that particular piece. If you don't like the pieces, you can always send the pieces back. So let me show you my bag for this month's review. Okay, so here's my bag. Nadine West always sends these hot pink bubble bags, is what I'm calling it. It comes in this beautiful hot pink packaging, which I love. I'm a total girl, and pink is where it is for me. So let's unwrap this and see what we have in our bag for this month. Okay, here's how our package comes. It comes in another plastic bag. It's wrapped in pink tissue paper. It does have the Nadine West logo on the front. And then all of your items are wrapped inside. So let's see. I normally will get, oh yeah, here it is. You're going to get 2 items inside of your bag. The first item is a priority mail shipping label. If there's something inside of the bag that you do not like, it's not your style, it doesn't fit, and you want to return it, you're going to use the same Nadine West bubble bag. You're going to affix the packing slip that they give you onto the front of your bag, and you're going to fold the bag back up and take it back to your post office, and it's going to ship back to them in the same bag. The second thing that you get inside of the bag is an invoice, and it just tells you what they have. Okay, so there's a purple top, gray bottom, a navy watercolor botanical dress, earrings, simple sparkles, they're in gold, and then a necklace which is a petite stone choker in pink. So we'll see what everything looks like. I'm excited. A choker, I like that. I got top and a bottom and a dress this time. So this will be my second dress. So let's see what we got. Pull everything out. I really try not to break up my tissue paper too bad. Okay. They package everything so neatly, and it comes right in your, everything comes so compact inside of your pink bubble wrap. Okay. So here's the watercolor botanical dress. Okay, so this is a navy dress. It is the watercolor. So I do like the material. It's still that soft material. I don't know what they make this stuff out of, but it just feels good. Like when you put it on, it feels good. Butter is probably not the best term with me being on Weight Watchers, but I mean, it just feels good. So it is a short sleeve, not even the 3/4 lengths. It does have the crossover in the front, and it's belted. but it's a little short. I think this might come knee length, so it's not like thigh length, I don't think, which is good for me. And again, 2018, I'm coming out of my comfort zone. I am used to black and more black. So I'm coming out of my comfort zone. So this, I can tell I'm already going to like. This is an MOA, made in the USA. It is, can't tell what it's made out of, but that same material that they have been some of the other pieces. So I'm excited to try that. So, okay, here's a pair of pants. These are kind of like, they look like, to me, oh, they're called strappy shows, strappy pants. So it has this side detail. Underneath, it has the black. It's the stretch. I would wear these or this type of pants to work out. I don't know that I would wear them just out in general public without a black shirt. Maybe I'd wear it with a long black shirt. And then you could also dress it up. If I were going to dress this, I would do a strappy pair of black heels, really tall heels, but a long black shirt. So we're going to see what this purple does for it. And then they sent this purple shirt. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. So this is 3/4 lengths for sure. It has that collar here with the cutout keyhole top. And then it's kind of long and slanted diagonally. So I like this already. I'm not sure that the black and gray will go together, but I'm going to try it together because these are the two pieces that were in the bag. And some people have asked me to put the pieces together that they sent. So that's what I'm going to do and see how I like it. And if not, then I'll just pair it with something different. So the next thing that they sent, and these always come in such cute little pink bags. These are so cute. So here is, I believe, the choker. It is. And it just has that pale pink detailing there. And it's also 2 chains together. So that's one. And then tiny diamond stud earrings. So really tiny, the diamond stud earrings is what was in that bag. Let me check my invoice because normally I get a bracelet. Nope, this time it was just necklace and earrings. So I'm going to try on these pieces and let you see what we come up with. Okay, everybody, here's the dress, the navy dress. So the first thing that I think about when I put this on is I don't feel like I have on clothes. It's just that material just feels so good. I feel like free and I don't feel hindered by my clothing. Sometimes I wear pieces and I feel restrictive. I don't feel restrictive in this. So again, one of the issues that I'm going to be speaking with my stylist about is I think I've just transitioned out of their size for me. I'm down a size being on Weight Watchers and on my weight loss journey. So it is a little bit, it's not too big, but I think if as I continue, see, I'm just seeing a little bit here where that probably could be, a little bit tighter there. So I may return this for a smaller size and see if they can give me one size down. The only problem I have with one size down, where it fits here better, doesn't fit here always so much. So this is my area that I struggle with. Outside of that, just the outfit itself, this is fun to me. This outfit says fun. It says spring. We're still, our weather here is not exactly spring, but the dates say spring. So I probably saved this for a few more weeks. But this says walking down by the river, because I live close to the beach and we also live close to the riverfront. So this says walking close to the river. So on the inside of this, it is one of those wrap tops. There is this piece here that goes all the way, it wraps over. And then this piece wraps over, but it's just one whole dress. And then I do like the belting in the front. And I love the flowers. It's just so pretty. I think it works for a different. You can do it daytime. I could do this at nighttime. Now, I paired this with a pair of denim pumps that have the bronze studs on the end or around the sole, because this would be a nighttime look. The only thing I would add would be probably a anklet, but I could do this in the daytime as well, wearing a pair of strappy sandals, which is probably what I would do, a low heel strappy sandal if I were going out during the daytime. But I like this. I am wearing the pink choker and I'm wearing the small studded earrings. So this is a fun outfit for me, and I really do like this one. Okay, everybody, here's the second outfit that I got in the Nadine West box. So it was the purple top, which is a 3/4 length sleeve. It has kind of the cutout or the keyhole front, which you don't need a neck piece with the way that this top is made. You could put one on, but I think it would be not necessary. So I would wear it simple here. I might do dangling earrings instead of shorter studs, and then of course I would change out all of my gold pieces for silver pieces. So this is probably the first thing that they've sent me that I have not loved, and that would be the pants. And it has nothing to do with the pants themselves. I like the pants. I like the way they fit. They make me feel nice and snug, which is what I like to feel when I'm wearing this type of pants. It is kind of like that spandex. It's a very soft material. The only issue that I have with the pants is they're a little bit low rise. And I don't like low rise pants because I always feel like I'm trying to keep pulling them up, or, you know, that's just a feeling that I have. So they fit a little higher in the front than they do in the back, and they're just a little low rise for me. So if I had a choice, I'd probably have them up under my bra strap, but that's just my personal preference to keep everything here sucked in. But the feel is nice, and I do like this. And so again, if I were going to switch out tops, I would wear this same exact top in black with a pair of black pumps or these black flats to make it more of a casual look. So that's the only change I would make to wear these pants, is to change the color of this top to black, because I like black and I don't think gray would do it justice. But I would wear it, and then I would pair it with a pair of black heels, and I would wear this in the evening. So this is outfit number 2. Okay guys, so there you have it, the pieces that I was sent this month from Nadine West. Overall, still impressed with the quality. I'm still impressed with the feel of the clothing. I love that springing things up or giving colors and patterns that are foreshadowing what's coming in spring. So I do love that. Again, the only piece that I had an issue with this time were the pants. And that was just because they were a little bit low rise for me. I love the feel. I love the pattern. I love everything about this particular pants. I love the pattern on the side. Very, very nice. And again, if I were going to wear it, even to work, because I could wear those to work, I would just change the color of the top from purple to black. Same length, same shirt, same cutout, no differences. And then I would change up my accessory pieces to silver. Other than that, loved everything that came in the bag. I think all is a keeper. Still going to debate about the pants because it could just be my comfort level that I need to get more comfortable with. I'm really not sure. So anyway, there it is. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Just says, hey, we like your video. If you are new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. If you've never gone to Nadine West and taken their pop quiz, I'm going to leave a link for you down in the description box. Click on that link. Go over and take a quick pop test, and you'll be paired with a stylist who will evaluate your pop quiz results and style you. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time we do a Nadine West review, bye now.